What happens when one of Hollywood's funniest women steps onto the SNL stage and gets completely wiped out by a Christmas snowstorm? Last night, Melissa McCarthy didn't just host Saturday Night Live. The show decided to fight back. She walked onto the stage for her sixth time hosting SNL, full of holiday energy, Christmas lights shining, and that classic Melissa McCarthy charm that always guarantees chaos. She started her monologue sweet and simple, talking about the holidays, family, friends, and classic Christmas music. But then she made one tiny mistake. She said, "Let's make it snow in here." At first, it looked beautiful. Soft flakes drifting down, the audience smiling, everyone relaxed. But then the SNL snow machine went completely crazy. A massive blast of snow came pouring down, turning her festive moment into a full-blown blizzard. Melissa tried to keep talking, but the snow kept falling harder and harder until it finally knocked her totally off balance and sent her crashing to the floor. The audience exploded with laughter. And in true Melissa McCarthy style, she didn't panic. She turned the entire disaster into comedy gold. Still covered in snow, she got up and continued like nothing had happened. But she wasn't done. She pulled out something even stranger, a mouth horn. Yes, she played Carol of the Bells using only her mouth, turning the moment from disaster into pure comedy magic. The crowd went insane. Then she attempted a dramatic piano duet, which of course turned into even more chaos, more jokes, and more perfectly timed Melissa-style madness. By the end of the monologue, she had survived a snow attack, played Christmas music with her mouth, and turned the SNL stage into a battlefield of holiday chaos. And that's the magic of Melissa McCarthy. When she hosts SNL, you don't just watch the show, you watch how the show tries to survive her energy. Her return wasn't just funny, it was chaotic, messy, unexpected, and absolutely unforgettable.